Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Okay, last class, what we have studied, did you remember the story? We have studied about Sachin Tendulkar. What is the name of the lesson? Learning the game. Okay, it's very interesting story. We will sum up the lesson. So Sachin Tendulkar first what he played, he interested in playing tennis ball with his colony friends. So this story is a autobiography. What do you mean by autobiography? Autobiography means the person who writes about his own experience. That is autobiography. Okay, so he used to play with his colony friends, and who is his favorite player? Sunil Gavaskar and Vivid Richards are the favorite players. Okay, he admired him and also he imitated the qualities of these players. Okay, and then he studied batting. Okay, Sachin Tendulkar studied batting, but also he loved bowling. Okay, and then which school he studied? He studied in New English School in Mumbai. So what is his brother name? His brother is Ajit. So what his brother's suggestion is, he want to change his school from New English 2 to Sadashram Vidya Mandir. Okay, why he is suggesting, his brother is suggesting? Because in Sadashram Vidya Mandir only the cricket coaching was giving. Okay, in this school only the cricket coaching is giving. So his brother suggests him to change his school. Okay, and then what happening? So in this school, Sadashram Vidya Mandir, who is the coacher? The coacher name is Ramkant Ajrekar sir. Okay, he is conducting a summer camps also. And then Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. So his brother took Sachin Tendulkar to train under sir. Who that? Ramkant Ajrekar sir. And then what happened? So that sir told to bat him. Okay, the first time he was failed. Okay, the coach was standing near him and he was watching how Tendulkar was playing. The first time he didn't give any impact to his coach, but the second time when he was playing, the coach was impressed by his batting. Okay, that is and then what else we have seen? And then what happened? Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure. And then this camp have a training also. Okay, near the Shivaji Park. So it has morning session and evening session also. So Sachin Tendulkar used to go to the Shivaji Park and he practiced the training. Okay, so he used to travel in the bus. Okay, with his brother Ajit. Okay, who Tendulkar was used to travel in the bus with his brother, and they were talking about batting. The conversation between them was about batting only. Up to that we have seen. All of you, if you have your textbook, you can take your textbook. Page number 22. So these words are said by Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, it's an autobiography. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes. Okay, what he was telling, I have only one set of clothes only. Okay, he was going for the training, so he has to wear the clothes, cricket clothes. So he had only one set of clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I want to return from the morning session. So he has only one cloth. So after the morning session, after the morning session training is over, he has to wash the clothes. Why? Because he has only one. So while he had my lunch, okay, while I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun. So when he was eating the lunch, on the time he will dry the clothes, okay. When he was eating the lunch, on the time he dry the clothes on the sun. I would wear them again in the afternoon. Okay, what a pity, you know. He is a great legend, but how he had before in the beginning, he lead a normal life only. So in the morning section, after overing, his clothes were dried up in the sun, and then he wearing the same clothes. Okay, I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. Okay, same clothes he was using in the next morning also. The system worked well apart from my package. So what he was telling, all my part, okay, all the parts were dried, but my packets, okay, but my packets were not dried up. Okay, it's not dried up, it's wet. Okay, there was never quite enough time for the packets to dry out completely, because he has no time to dry up the clothes. By the middle of the summer camp, Sar had started taking an active interest in my batting at the end of the 2 months. So the training is completed after 2 months. The coach, who is the coach? Ramkant Ajrekar sir, was very much impressed by his batting. Who is batting? Sachin Tendulkar. So the coach was informed to Ajit. Who is Ajit? Ajit is the Tendulkar's brother. He had the potential to be a good cricketer. So his coach was telling to his brother, he had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practice all year round. However, my school, the new school, English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities. What Sachin Tendulkar was telling is, my school, where he was studying, the new English school in Bandra, didn't have the facility, okay, to giving the training for the students. I was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. So if I want to continue the training in cricket, I want to change my school. Okay, which school he was studying? English, new English school. Okay. One evening, Sir called. Who is Sir? The coach. Call my father and put forward his suggestion. So his coach was calling his father. Whose father? Sachin Tendulkar's father, and put forward his suggestion. Ajit was in the room. So his brother also accompanied with his father at the time, and they both accepted that it was necessary. So what accepted? Sachin Tendulkar want to change his school. If cricket was to be my priority, my father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objection to my changing schools, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. So what his father is telling, if you don't have any objection, you can change your school. So Sachin Tendulkar also agreed to change the school. All my exhaust energies were getting channeled into cricket. So what Sachin Tendulkar was telling, my focus is only in cricket only. Always said that he wanted to be give my best effort without worrying about the results. Okay, so I don't want to worry about the results, but I will put my effort. In my first year at Sadashiram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. Okay, so how many matches he played? 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. Okay, my summer session used to start at 7:30 a.m. When the summer training is starting, 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. Okay, so that much of effort he was put in the training. My evening session would start at 5 p.m. after only a 30-minute break. Okay, only a little break only he has. Okay, so he in the morning session also he is training, in the evening also he was training, so he has a little break only in between. During the break, sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada, a popular Mumbai fast food. So the coach also giving some money to eat some vada. Okay, between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. I would have 5 more nets session. So between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. I have 5 more nets to play. Okay, in the playground. Towards the last 15 minutes, Sad would place a 1 rupee coin on top of the stems. If I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. Okay, so the coach will place a 1 rupee coin on the stem. If he not getting out, he will get the coin by himself. Okay. In this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me. So all will come and bowl to me. I will bat and they will bowl to me. With some 60 to 70 boys fielding, it meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. So Sachin Tendulkar loves cricket, especially batting, and he was interested in batting. Okay, so here I think how many pages I have completed? 1, 2, 3. 3 pages I have completed. Please, you have to read the text, enjoy the story, and if you have any doubt, you can call me through mobile. Okay. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. We will see you in next class.